Hi there Makeup Addicts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sarah, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you what I got in my November latest in beauty box. So I ordered this box because a really fabulous YouTuber called Charmed Wench, I will leave her link down below for you, you should go and watch and subscribe to her channel. After you've subscribed to mine, of course. I saw her unbox what looked like a really great October box, I think it was. Maybe it was even early November box. And it just made me want a piece of the action. So I went on to Latest in Beauty's website, signed up, and the beauty of this box is you get to choose what's in it. So let me show you what I ordered. Oh, I didn't order a virgin wine voucher. If anyone wants to use that, happy days. So I ordered, what did I order? I ordered these two NARS items. Now I just want to check how much these actually are. So I'm just going to have a look for NARS Velvet Matte Lipstick in Do Me Baby. On NARS's website it's £22. What a steal. And is it 1.8 grams? Okay, so this is smaller. This is 1.8 grams and 2.4 grams is full size. But either way, that's what, a third smaller. It's not exactly like it's half the size. Oh, that's lovely. It's upside down, but it's lovely. I do like me a red lipstick, and that's just a little bit more to the plum side, but what I do like is how sheer it is. So you can just deepen up your lips with that. That's lovely. I did get another NARS item. I can't remember what it was. It's a high pigment long wear eyeliner in Via Veneto. Let's see how much that is. £19 for the full size one. This is 0.7 grams. How much does the normal one weigh? It does not say. Either way, let me show you this colour. Although I think it's just black or nearly black. Yeah. Oh, that is so creamy. You barely have to touch your skin. That is so creamy. I like that. So one of these items essentially would have been worth the money that I paid for all the items that I got, and I got two NARS items here. Let me show you what else I got. I got, oh, I remember what this is. This is like a beauty blender cleaning solution, and I tend to wash my brushes and my beauty blender with Johnson's baby shampoo. However, this was there, I thought, why not? Ooh, it smells nice. A little quite sweet, but yeah, so I will definitely get use out of that. Sponge clean. I suppose it does exactly what it says on the tin. What else did I get? Oh, Burt's Bees. You know I love a lip balm. I'll get a lip balm at any opportunity. Have one in every single bag that I carry around. So when I saw this on the list, I was like, yes, let's. Oh, I actually expected it to be red. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, that's nice. I suppose the worst thing about having a lip balm that smells nice is that it doesn't stay on your lips for very long. So how many is that? That's 4 items. Oh. I don't remember ordering this. Estee Lauder hand sanitizer. Oh, wait a minute. No, I don't remember ordering this. We'll come back to that. So this is an eyeliner adhesive for lashes. And I do struggle with lashes and glue, so actually, and it's black. Ooh, can't wait to give that a try. So this is supposed to be basically lashes glue, but as a liner. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Oh, and it's really sticky, which I suppose is the point. Interesting. So we'll see how that works. I also ordered this little Laura Mercier lipstick. No idea what shade I ordered. To be fair, you don't really get a choice. If you want it in the shade that they've got, then that's the shade that you have. That's nice. Ooh, very pink. Very summer. Do you know what I bet is nice? I bet that's nice with the NARS pencil over it. Should we try that? Oh, that's a lovely like dusty rose. Yep. So I wonder whether I've actually got this Estee Lauder hand sanitizer for free, because you order 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this must be a freebie that they've thrown in. Oh, do you know? Don't you hate it when you go into a shop these days and you use the hand sanitizer and it absolutely stinks? This smells really nice. That is a good smelling sanitizer. Okay, so just looking at this, I've just had a quick look at how much I actually paid, and I paid using PayPal, and I paid £14.31. That was with a voucher code, so I reckon that we're probably talking about £16-17 when we're paying full price including postage. That being said, these two here individually would account for that entire cost, which is great. The Burt's Bees lip balms, these go for about £4 unless you can get them on an offer, but I believe their recommended retail price is £4. This lash base, which is the brand Lash Base at the bottom there, you can just about see. Yep, Lash Base eyeliner lash adhesive retails on their own website for £13.33, which is a bit of a random price. Laura Mercier lipsticks, in their full sizes, they retail for about $32. This day and age, that's probably about £28, and that's full size, so let's call this half size and say that that's £14 right there. The only place I can really find this is on Amazon, and that's £10 at the minute. On Estee Lauder's website, they don't even sell that hand sanitizer themselves. Either way, this box is worth far more than £20, or certainly the £15 that I spent on it, and I'm really pretty chuffed with it. So I am going to keep my subscription in place. I must admit, I did enjoy the 5 or 10 minutes that it took me to peruse their website and decide what I wanted. There was loads to choose from, a few pages of items to choose from, which was really great. Which then made me think that in the future when I come to choose again, there'll be loads of different things. Really quite exciting. I do think that the quicker you get there, like they'll launch it with great stuff on it, and then that stuff will sell out as people order it. So just one to bear in mind. I'd definitely recommend giving it a try. I mean, you don't really have to commit even before you look at the items that are available, which is a really nice touch. They don't hide the list of items behind a payment wall. You can literally decide what you want and then sign up, which I think is just a really nice touch from them. So I'm going to get use out of all of these because I literally chose them myself. So I'm pretty chuffed with this. And that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and if you're thinking about getting a latest in beauty box, I hope this has helped you make that decision. If you have enjoyed this one, go ahead and hit the like button. It's just down here. I really appreciate you hitting the like button there. Especially if you liked this video, you can go ahead and like it. If you really like my content, go ahead and subscribe. It'd be great to have you in the family, and we've got a giveaway coming up for when we hit the 500 subscriber number. So go ahead and subscribe to be a part of that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.